Hi and welcome to today's video in which we're going to be going through an absolute million seller by Bon Jovi from the 1980s. This is called Livin on a Prayer. I do hope you enjoy it. It's an absolute banger. Go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, so let's get into it. This is the riff. We're going to need an E minor for this, and it's the bit that goes... that bit that runs through the song. It's done with the bass guitar and this sort of joins in. So the way we do this is we have an E minor chord, we focus on the top 3 strings, we come down on them 3 strings in a sort of like a chopping motion. We're using the edge of our hand to mute the strings, so it's like a... hear that, the way that chops? Gives us a nice gritty sound. So we come down on 3, up on 3, down on 3, and then up with our fingers open. So we've got down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. The trick is we're playing this E minor chord, but the riff inside the chord is that. So we want to, accentuate that riff inside the chord by going all inside that E minor chord. So it's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and we're really focusing on them top 3 strings. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and focusing on this down, up, down, up, down, up. I'm really focusing on them top 3 strings and chopping them with my, muting the strings with the edge of my hand. Otherwise, you just get unruly, like just goes all doing what it wants. We don't want that. We want it to be nice and neat. Then it goes C, D, and then back to the E minor. D, E minor, C minor, E minor, C, and then D, back to E minor, ba-da-da, ba-da-da, E minor, then C, D, back to E minor. So that's how the first part of the verse goes, and also the intro. After that, we got a bit that's hold on to what we got. Doesn't make a difference if we make it or not. It's that bit. So we got just down, up strumming. We got C, D, D, E minor, C, D, D, E minor, C, D, D, E minor, then C, 2, 3, 4, D, 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 D. Right, we'll do that again for you. So we got C, D, D, E minor, C, D, D, E minor, C, D, D, E minor, and C, D, 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 D. Okay, so that's the give it a shot, that bit. Next thing is the chorus. Let's move on to the chorus now. We've got E minor, so we've got E minor, C, D, 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 and then G, C, D. So E minor, C, D, and then it will go G, C, D. So let's strum that out. So we've got E minor, C, D, 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 and G, C, D, 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 E minor, and C, and D, 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 G, C, D, 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 and then we're back to beginning. Okay, so let's go through the chorus again one more time. So we've got E minor, C, D, 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 G, C, and D, 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 E minor and C, and D, 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 G, C, D, D, D. So we've got the verses and we got the chorus. Right, so here we got the dreaded key change. We're going to be moving up and doing a whole different set of chords for the chorus. As it finishes, you'll hear it. It uplifts to a whole different set of chords, which are G minor, D sharp, and then F, and then B flat, D sharp, and F. So G minor, D sharp, and F, and then B flat, D sharp, and F. Okay, so that's one way of playing it. Let me show you up close to the camera what chords and how I'm holding these chords. So the G minor is as a bar chord. I'm barring all 6 strings and then holding down strings 5 and 4 in the 5th fret with my 3rd and little finger, playing all 6. There's our G minor. D sharp, I'm playing it by moving our D chord up 1 and then placing our little finger there on the 4th string on the 5th fret. That is 4 strings. There's our D sharp, F, you know F. Also, we're going to be needing B flat. So that's our A chord, move that 1 and then place a first fret, 1st string, 1st finger right there. So we've got, that's our B flat. We play 4 strings for that too. So let's play all them chords in the order they go. So we got G minor and D sharp and F, 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 B flat, D sharp and F, F, F. We're going to be going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so that's the chords in that position. I'm going to give you a choice. If you want to play all bar chords for this bit, then you can do G minor as we did before, but then you can slide up to the bar, the 6th fret, and we're going to be holding down strings 4, 3, 2, 1. Try not to play the 1st string, but if it happens, don't lose any sleep over it. There is our D sharp. Either hold it down with your little finger or you can hold it down with your 3rd finger. But there we go. So we've got G minor, then to D sharp, and then moving our 1st finger up to the 8th fret and doing the same, holding the same position. That gives us our F. So we've got G minor, D sharp, and up to F. One more time. G minor, D sharp, and then up to F. Then we got B flat, which is 6th fret, but holding the major shape there. See the major shape, the E major shape. Got it? Right, so, and then we got B flat, D sharp, which is just dropping from there down to that 4, 3, 2, 1 position we just held. Back up to F and G minor. D sharp, up to F, B flat, D sharp, and then up to F. So there we have it, Living on a Prayer by the great Bon Jovi. How did you get along with this one? Always great to hear down in the comment section below, along with any song suggestions for future videos. Always want to hear, let me know, get involved. I'd love to hear from you. Also, if you did like today's video, please can you click like and subscribe for me, as it helps me to grow the channel. I'm already so flaming grateful to you lot. My subscriptions are growing really quickly and it's all down to you. Thank you so much for being part of the channel. You lot are brilliant. I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Look after yourselves. See you then. Bye-bye.